Okay, we're going to start editing this perfume bottle that you can see we've got on the screen here. So first of all, when you've got your drawing and you've opened it up, you'll see on the left hand side here a list of all the different things that we have done so far on this particular object. You press on one of them, it will actually highlight it in blue and show you the region that that refers to. So each one of these refers to a different part of the design, and you'll be able to go onto it, open up the little box at the side here and edit that particular feature at any point. You can also open up the sketch that's attached to that feature and again edit that sketch, so it enables you to change it, resize it, and then resave it. You want to walk through the different stages of making this. There's a blue line here at the very bottom of our completed design. If you grab it with your mouse, you'll be able to push it back to different stages, and you can see here the design has gone back to that particular area before we put the fillet on, or further back before we put an extrude on this little tiny piece here, or further back when we had a simple cut beginning, or further back still. So you can use this point here to edit and change to whichever part of the design it is that you want to look at. To add the colours to this, you'll be able to open up your textures on the right hand side here from your appearances, and you can see you've got a range of different appearances to choose from, different types, and each one of these has a different type of technique within each area. So you can choose different textures and different sorts of finishes for each one. You've also got your backgrounds in here. So by opening up scenes, you can see you've got a range of different scenes that you can choose from. And you basically click and drag and drop those into the backgrounds. I'm going to turn this off because it's easy for us to see at this point with just a white background. There we go. Now there's something else we can do over on the left hand side over here. As well as having all our different stages of making, we can go and edit all the different types of presentations. From the little tiny round sphere at the top here, if you press on that, you'll see it's got the lights and the camera. Now they're not visible in this view here. You can add them by clicking on the little glasses at the top there and click on the lights, like that. That's adding the lights onto it. Or you can right click on the word lights and show all lights in that way. So there's two different ways. From this then we'll be able to edit where the lights are. You can see at the moment they're at the front of this object. You can actually move these and edit them. Let's edit the lights. There we go. I can pick this up now and move it. And I might want to put it around this side. You can see it's changing the lighting on the object. Or I might want to put them both directly overhead or pointing from the front in a different angle like that. You can also change the type of lighting, the brightness, or the type of colouring of the light that you want to put on that from this option over here. This is in Lights, Edit Lights. You can also add another light if you want to, so you could add a directional or a spotlight in one particular point. In here, look, we can check on what we've got so far. We can open up our scene. We can see what background I've put onto here. It did have a kitchen background originally. I've taken it off. And you've also got your camera. You can add the camera and you can put it in a particular place. So you can see here now where the camera is going to take this particular image from. You can use the perspective over this side to change it. Okay, from this I'm now going to render this object. I'm going to turn off the lights first of all so that they disappear. Okay, we go up to the top where the word Office Products is. We press that, you can see there's a tool there called Photo View 360. You need to select this to enable it to open up a render tab. At the moment there is only 5 tabs along the top there. Once we've checked the Photo View 360, it will add another one for us. This will enable us to add our textures. Shit.